Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. With the holy month of Ramadan just around the corner, it's essential to make mindful choices about what we eat during this blessed time. Today, we'll explore some nutritious and delicious food options to keep you energized and healthy throughout your fasting journey. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about Sahoor, the pre-dawn meal. It's crucial to start your day with foods that provide sustained energy. Opt for complex carbohydrates like whole grains and oats. Incorporate protein-rich foods such as eggs, yogurt, and nuts to keep you feeling full longer. Staying hydrated is key, especially during the long hours of fasting. Make sure to drink plenty of water between Iftar and Sahoor. Infuse your water with slices of cucumber or mint for a refreshing twist. Coconut water is also an excellent hydrating option, providing essential electrolytes. Now, let's move on to Iftar, the moment we eagerly await. Start by breaking your fast with dates and water, following the sunnah. Then, move on to a balanced meal including lean proteins, vegetables, and complex carbohydrates. Avoid heavy or fried foods, and focus on nourishing your body with wholesome ingredients. For those midnight cravings, choose snacks wisely. Fresh fruits, yogurt with granola, and vegetable sticks with hummus are excellent choices. These snacks provide essential nutrients without making you feel weighed down. Remember, Ramadan is a time for spiritual reflection and self-discipline, and what we eat plays a crucial role in supporting our overall well-being. Hope these tips help you make mindful food choices during this holy month. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe for more content. Wishing you a blessed and healthy Ramadan. Ma assalam.